Thanks a lot for continuing to be with us. Republic TV now bringing you more of the updates that we've tracked as far as conversations that Rhea Chakrabarti in the dock and under investigation the Sushant Singh Rajput case has had with the senior officer in Bandra Police. Now we can confirm for our viewers that as far as the dates of these conversations are concerned, they are very much post Sushant Singh Rajput's death. 5 separate conversations, 4 through calls and 1 via SMS. And now we have the dates of these conversations with us. So on 20th June is when police officer Abhishek Trimukhe had messaged Rhea. This is on 20th June, almost a week after Sushant Singh Rajput's body was found. Then on 21st June, the next day, Rhea Chakrabarti called the Bandra DCP. At 1:24 p.m., call lasted 28 seconds. The next day, 22nd June, Trimukhe calls Rhea for 29 seconds at around 10:30 a.m. Then for more than a week later, 1st July is when Trimukhe calls Rhea again for nearly a minute at 4:40 p.m. And then finally on 18th July is when Rhea calls Trimukhe for 61 seconds at 1 p.m. So this is definitely a very crucial period during which the DCP in Bandra Police and Rhea Chakrabarti, who by now had come under the scanner and under the cloud of suspicion and questions, was communicating directly with someone who could be regarded as a person of interest at that time. Now remember, at that time there was no FIR, but Mumbai Police has not registered one till date. And there are, of course, question marks over their overall investigation and whether they've been in cahoots with trying to cover up the truth. But by then, here at Republic TV and otherwise by the family, questions had begun to be raised on exactly what happened. Remember, by that time, the suicide theory was also being debunked. Let's also go across to our senior editor, Prakash Singh, joining us. So, Prakash, the first big news that is coming out of these call records that Republic TV has accessed is that these conversations between Rhea and the senior DCP officer of Bandra Police were very much post Sushant's death.
Well, yes, this is a big breaking story, Shivani, that we have brought out, and our relentless campaign is exposing a lot of kettles now. And this conversation has happened after Sushant Singh Rajput's death. And I wonder why these conversations were made by a senior police officer to Rhea Chakrabarti. That can be either for calling her for interrogation. Was Rhea Chakrabarti such a big person that a senior police officer of the rank of DCP has to call up Rhea Chakrabarti? That call could have been made by any inspector level officer, if at all it was interrogation, because I understand the plea would be given that the senior police officer was in touch with Rhea Chakrabarti back and forth for interrogation purposes. But first, the SMS was sent on 28th June. Then 21st June, Rhea calls Trimukhe for 28 seconds at 1:24 p.m. Then on 22nd June, Trimukhe calls Rhea for 29 seconds at 10:30 a.m. 1st July, Trimukhe calls Rhea for 56 seconds at 4:40 p.m. and 18th July, Rhea calls Trimukhe for 61 seconds at 1 p.m. So ideally, the plea could be given that they were being talking for interrogation, maybe. But is it necessary or mandatory that a senior police officer talking to a person who is a suspect to call her for interrogation? Why not a low-rang officer like SHO or the IO of the case investigating could have called up Rhea Chakrabarti? Now, this is the bone of contention. For time and again, we have been saying that Mumbai Police is hand in glove and Mumbai Police is trying to protect Rhea Chakrabarti and the suspects. And this is a glaring example of how the Mumbai Police is trying to botch up the case. This is one suspect, because this call details suggest that. We are not coming to any conclusion that they are hand in glove, but of course their close proximity can be established through these call details, and they have to explain it in public domain as to what were the nature of conversation that has happened. We don't have the audio conversation of both the person in question, but they will have to explain as to what was the reason or what was the mandate
yes.
of the senior police officer that they were in touch with Riya Chakrabarti. Back to you.
Absolutely, Prakash. In fact, this could well be ground for some sort of explanation being sought by the DC from the DCP. Some higher up can do that, but in this case, unfortunately, the Mumbai police, right till the very top, has mired itself under suspicion because for 60 days they haven't really got to the meat of the issue. They haven't really even looked at issues that the family had raised with them 4 months before the death. So they have a question mark over their own intentions at this stage. But now with central agencies looking into it, perhaps there can be a deeper investigation into what was being discussed between the senior officer and Riya Chakrabarti, who at least at that time was a person of interest. We'll continue to get you more on this, Prakash. Thanks a lot for joining us for the meantime.